Tired of complicated website builders and ready to build a stunning real estate website yourself without writing a single line of code? In this video, I'm going to walk you through creating a professional WordPress website that showcases your listings, attracts clients, and establishes you as a top realtor in your area. Let's get started. First, you'll need a domain name and web hosting. I recommend choosing a provider specifically optimized for WordPress for better performance. Once you have those, install WordPress. Most hosting providers offer a one-click installation. Next, choose a real estate-specific WordPress theme. Look for themes with built-in listing features, advanced search options, and customizable layouts. There are many free and premium options available. Now, let's install some essential plugins. I recommend a plugin for property listings, one for contact forms, and another for search engine optimization, or SEO. This will help clients find you online. Adding your listings is crucial. Use high-quality photos, detailed descriptions, and accurate property information. Make sure your contact information is prominently displayed on each listing page. Create a professional About Us page highlighting your experience and expertise. Include testimonials from satisfied clients to build trust. Don't forget a clear call to action to encourage visitors to contact you. Integrate a map showing your service area to help potential clients understand your geographic focus. You can easily embed a Google map on your Contact Us page. Finally, ensure your website is mobile-friendly. Most modern WordPress themes are responsive by default, but always double-check on different devices. A responsive website is critical for reaching clients on the go. And there you have it, a professional real estate website built with WordPress, no coding required. Now go out there and start attracting those clients. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful real estate marketing tips.